test is the active green light trigger. I purchased it off of eBay. It runs an antenna underneath the bike that can detect loops in the road like this to open gates like this one. This bike never triggers this particular gate, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ride up and demonstrate that it does not work. So pull the fuse to verify that that doesn't work. Alright, you can see, stop right here, gate does not open. So we'll go ahead and back up, get back in parking spot, and we'll show that the gate here won't open. Alright, so what we have here underneath the seat set into my accessory fuse box with my millions of other things that I have under here. But this right here controls the green light trigger. This fuse right here activates it. There's an antenna that runs around underneath, and there's a loop down here that is inside this area, and that detects the loop on the road surface and activates it. So I'm gonna let this guy go through. I'm gonna wait for the kid to close again behind him to demonstrate again that this will activate the gate. Alright, so you can see the status light is blinking because there's some signal right now that it's detecting, probably from some of the other stuff that's on my bike. So I go to the same spot where I was a second ago. You see the light is blinking, and as you can see, the gate opens for me.